everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to use live captions on Windows 11. First, just on your keyboard, just press Windows plus Ctrl plus L at the same time. This instantly opens the live caption setup windows. Just press Windows plus Ctrl plus L like this. Like this, as you can see. You will get the live captions box like this, and then it's just selecting the language that you want over here. But unfortunately, the available language might still be limited, but I think it's more than enough to try out the feature. And then next, after selecting the language, if this is your first time using live captions, Windows will automatically download the necessary language files. So just wait for a moment, and after that, once the download is complete, live captions will turn on automatically like this. After you selected your language, just tap on continue and you will get the live captions like this.
Then why do we feel like quitting so often?
Good question. Let's talk about
Like
that.
this.
Because maybe you're not weak at all.
Maybe life is just really heavy right now.
Yeah.
Like this. As you can see, you will get the live captions on your screen like this. And okay, maybe that's it. It's super simple, super useful, especially if you need clear understanding of the spoken audio. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.